In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you need to pay attention to anytime you want to execute a successful trade. The first thing is what you need to consider: the direction of the market. So if you look at this chart, for example, if you look at this chart, the trend is what? A downtrend. Why am I saying it's a downtrend? Because I understand the concept of market structure, and it tells me that the market is doing more of what? Higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low. So when I see something of this sort, I'm just going to be looking for what? A sell. So I have to first of all pay attention to the direction of the market, which is what? The pattern structure and candle structure. If you look at the previous candle, the candle is what? A bearish candle. So I'm just going to be looking for what? A sell, not a buy. So this candle that is moving, I'm not interested. And the second thing you need to pay attention to is what? The observation levels, the key levels, the reactional levels. So take note, I said observation level. One thing I've noticed, a lot of people think when I draw these lines, they think like when price gets to this line, I'm just going to execute. I'm not going to execute. I'm going to wait for confirmations. So confirmation can be candles. I have to check the time of the day. I have to make sure price is in what? A clean zone. Looking at my left, these are the things that I pay attention to. So if you want to execute a successful trade by understanding my concept, by understanding what I look for in a trade, you need to make sure you understand the direction of the market so that you are not going to be beaten by going against the direction of the market, what the big players are doing. And 2, you consider the observation levels. Don't just execute at anywhere in the market. Make sure you are executing on a level which is safe. Okay, we have something called safer level. You execute on a safer level. And the third one is what? Make sure you are patient to wait for confirmation. Make sure the candle has closed in your direction so that you don't get trapped by, if you are taking a sell, make sure you are waiting for bearish candle. If you are taking a buy, make sure you are waiting for what? A bullish candle. Then you execute.